Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel with me Faruk Ahmad. Okay, today we're going to have a listening exercise for you. I'm going to read a story, a short story. It's called Last Request. And I want you to pay a really good attention to it because there will be questions afterwards that you need to answer. Are you ready? Okay, here it goes.
Last request. Mary Clancy goes up to Father O'Grady after his Sunday morning service, and she's in tears. He says, "So what's bothering you, Mary, my dear?" She says, "Oh, Father, I've got terrible news. My husband passed away last night." The priest says, "Oh, Mary, that's terrible. Tell me, Mary, did he have any last requests?" She says, "That he did, Father." The priest says, "What did he ask, Mary?" She says, "He said, 'Please, Mary, put down the damn gun.'"
What do you think? Did you get all of those 3 answers correct? Great! Here are the answers to those questions. For those of you who answered correctly, congratulations! For those who didn't, don't worry, keep on practicing. Practice makes perfect, right? Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy the lesson. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you will be notified when I have a new video on YouTube. See you in my next video. Bye for now.